Hi, my name is Daksh Sharma. I'm from Delhi, Dwarka, and I had been suffering from Hidradenitis Suppurativa. So about Max, I came to know from, and this treatment is available in Max. So that's when I found Dr. Juhi online, as she was the director of plastic surgery, and then I had my first appointment with her.
He was suffering from this disease for the last 3 to 4 years. What happens in this problem that there are multiple glands in the axilla which undergoes infection repeatedly, and there are multiple pus forming pockets all around. But he had a severe kind of disease, Hurley's classification stage 3. He had a wound all over the axilla, so much so that he was not able to raise his hand above such a few centimeters, and it was almost stuck to the body.
I was mentally prepared that I'm gonna have surgery, and when I met Dr. Juhi, she explained the whole process pretty well, very detailed, and that's when the first consultation itself is when I decided that I'd go ahead for surgery.
So we decided to do a surgery in which we had to clean the whole wound and cover it with a flap.
I'd say one of the best doctors that I've met. They are very sweet, gentle, and accommodating. All my problems that I addressed, they took care of it, and they listened to all my problems with all their ears open.
And now, after 3 weeks, all his wounds are healed. He's able to raise his hands, and he's now ready to go back to his home.